Now let's learn more about the ribbons and tabs features in Excel. One of the major enhancements that was introduced in Excel 2007 was the tabs and ribbons feature. And it makes really easy for anyone to access these options within each tab. So as we already covered up in previous topic, now you must be knowing the difference between tabs and ribbons, right? For example, if I look at the insert, I would have all these options which are related to insert. Similarly, if I look at the formulas, then I have all these options that are related to formulas. And within each tabs, I have this group which is segregated with vertical lines, right? For example, I have this group called functions library. Under that, I have list of tools or command button like AutoSum, recently used, financial, logical, text, date text, etc. etc. Same way, if I click on this data, under that sort and filter group, you have lists of tools or command button like sorting, filtering, advanced sorting, reapply, clear, etc. etc. So there are different kinds of options available in this ribbon. There could be buttons that do something when you click on it. For example, I'm just typing 1, 2, 3. Okay. And you must be noticing that there are list of grids, right? Grids in a sense, the squares. So these are the squares will pop up by automatically when you open a new Excel file. If you want to or remove that grid lines, just go to view tabs, and under show group you can see one command button, one tool called grid lines. Just untick that one. By default it will get ticked. Just untick it. See, it get blank, right? So I just click it again and it's come back again. In this cell where I have typed the data like 1, 2, 3, I want to give it the border throughout this cell. So I just go to home, and within home in the font group you have this options to give the border. Just click on it. After that you can select the respective border. For example, I just going to give the border which thick line. I'm just selecting this thick outside border. Just click on it. And if I select the cursor somewhere, you can see that those values has been covered with the bold thick line border, right? In case if you don't want this, by mistakenly you did this. For that purpose only, we are using undo button, which we talk about in lesson 2. On the left you can see, right, under quick access toolbar, this is undo button. Just click on this. See, it go to normal. And again you realize that, okay, that's border button only I want it. That case, no need to go back to font group and click on this border icon options. Just simply click on this redo button. Just click on this. See, it's come back to again. Now you must be understood the difference between the purpose of undo and redo button, right? And also under alignment group, you can see some toggle button. If I click on this, it's get to central aligned. See, if you want to align to left, just click on this left side and right side. And also you can see that group called numbers, right? Next to that you have drop down list. If I click on this, you have n number of other options like currency, date, time. To any format you can do that one. You can select the format based on your requirement. For example, if I click on this percentage, just click on this. See here. Again, if I come back here, you can see the list of other options as well, right? And at the same time, each options below, you can see the preview of the same. If I click on this number, you can see this format 123.00. And next to that, if I click on this currency, and it will show the preview like $12300. Similarly, you can see other options as well, right? It's again, it depends upon your requirement. And just click on undo. And we will learn more about the number formatting tools in our upcoming lessons. Hope you clear this topic, and let's move to the next lesson.